Today, we talked about fake news. We raise awareness among the most susceptible, we warn young people, adults, and the elderly, but what about the numbers? Depending on the country, the social networks, and the person's life, the numbers vary. Let's take a look at the main statistics and see the global and social impact of fake news. Let's take a look at the world and see what proportion of people say they have been exposed to fake news. First of all, Turkey, with 49% of people, but also Brazil with 35% and Mexico with 43% as the leaders in this field. There are also European countries such as France and the Great Britain with 16 and 50% respectively. Other countries like Australia and South Korea account for 25 and 30%. This shows that fake news has a global impact in all the world. There are several reasons for this impact. Firstly, the spread and increase of fake news around the world. In fact, 1.5 billion pieces of fake news are created every day. From 2022 to 2023, we can see 3 times more video fakes created by AI and 8 times more images. These increases create opinions and perception. According to an American study, if you take 100 people, 50 of them will think that fake news is a very big problem, 34 a moderate problem, and 16 a small problem. So it's clear that this is a problem for everyone, a problem that needs to be solved. To be solved, it must be understood. Based on a survey of 13,000 adults in 26 countries, we can see this graph. Two things stand out. Firstly, 5% of people don't know what fake news is. Secondly, 67% of people link fake news to politics. The problem is, if people don't know perfectly what fake news is, we can't help them. So to try and avoid being fooled again, let's take 5 words that define fake news and compare them to 5 other words that can help you avoid them. Fake news is a word of misinformation, distortion, propaganda, falsehood, and fraud. And to counter them, you need verify, cross-check, analyze, research, and question. In conclusion, fake news is only set to increase worldwide in the coming years. With the advances in technology and current politics, this is a global problem that we need to start avoiding as soon as possible. Seeing all these numbers should show you that you need to be careful. Fake news is fake, the repercussions are real.